Hey there Greymanes, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock cows in Crimson Desert. In case you're wondering where you can place down cows on the game, if you check over to your journal right here, go over to Faction Quest, and over on the Grounds of the Sunrise on the Greymane quest line, you should be able to find a quest here called Field of Abundance. By finishing this quest right here, you will unlock the ranch in the Greymane camp over at the Howling Hill. Once you've unlocked the ranch, as you can see right here, you should be able to buy some livestock over on Ben right here. Now if I check over to buy livestock, unfortunately, cows aren't really present here. To unlock them, you have to reach 100 trust on the specific NPC in Hernand. And the location of that specific NPC is over at the Muckroot Ranch. Alright, now over on this location right here, just right under the Muckroot Ranch, you should be able to find Bremer sitting down. However, if you don't really find him at the same location, just run around the entire ranch to see if he's at the location. Now in case you really can't find him over at the Muckroot Ranch, he should just be over at the tavern right here just in front of the entrance drinking, mostly at night. I don't really see him anywhere at the day, so that might be another possible location for you to find Bremer. Alright, just approach Bremer right here and then press R to gift. And fortunately, he does accept some copper pouches, even some gold bars, or even some food. So since food is a lot easier, I'm just gonna use this to raise his trust. And once you've reached trust 100 with Bremer, go back over to your ranch and go with Ben right here. Go over to the ranch option, go to buy livestock, and as you can see right here, calf has now been unlocked. And that's pretty much about it on how to unlock cows in Crimson Desert.